Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. It's a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $25 a month. It used to be 21, and it also has tax, so it's 27. It's a $25 with tax a month subscription box. It's a beauty subscription box that gives 5 full-size items. Last month was a banger, so I really hope that this month is better. Yeah, so let's get into it all the way. I said all the way. Also, if you want to know why I'm all dolled up, it's because I'm going to a holiday party. So it's going to be an unboxing and try on. Well, you probably already know that from the title. And this month it has a lot of variations. I'm going to tell you the variations. So if you don't want to know the variations, it will be a timestamp down below. So you could just like skip through to the unboxing or skip through the try on. It's either one. The first thing is with choice. You had a choice between the Elements Rose Oil or a Saturday Skin Moisturizer. I chose the Saturday Skin Moisturizer, so I know what that's in the box. You also got 2 palettes, a variation between 2 palettes, the Red Riding Hood or the Robin Hood, a green or a red palette. I like green, if you know that. So yeah. Also, every box comes with a Ciate blush. Woo! I thought it was going to be like a variation between the blush and highlighter, but the highlighter is only in the Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. If you don't know what Boxy Luxe is, it's a quarterly box. That's $50 a month. Also, Boxy Premium is a monthly subscription off of Boxy. It's just like an upgrade. That's $35 a month, and you get a couple more products. The next options were a lip scrub or a blush cleanser. I really want the brush cleanser because I don't want to buy another one. And the lip scrub has radish, so I'm probably going to be gifting that to someone if I get it. And the last thing was a brow product or a lip product, and the lip product was looking like a little pinkish, a little ashiest for my skin tone. So I really hope I get the brow product. As you can see, I'm hopeful. Have no brow product on, so let's get into this box. Here's the box. All good, all great. And it's not wet because it was outside and it was raining, so I'm glad that it's not wet yet. Not wet yet, not wet at all. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It has a red, it has at Boxycharm, hashtag Boxycharm. It has this, and then this is everything. The theme of the month is whimsy. Like whimsy. I really don't get that with this items that's in this box, like the variations, but okay. I see what they were trying to do, I guess. I got variation 4. The first product in the box is this blush. This is the Ciate Marble Light Brush. It's very, very reflectant. It came in 3 shades, and this is the shade I got. I got the shade Dusk. This is what it looks like. It's a pinky. It's not the shade I would actually choose for myself, but I guess I'm using it since I swatched it. The next product I got is the lip scrub that I do not really want, but I'm going to be just gifting this away. It's from the brand Sarah Botanicals, and it costs $24. Also, the Ciate blush retails for $26. This is one of the products that I won't be using today. This is the Saturday Skin Moisturizer. I already have my face moisturized and primed already, so I'm not going to be using this. But the packaging is amazing. This also retails for $39. Really? Yeah, I live by a hospital, so you're just gonna hear that all the time, and I really hate that, but it's okay because it's great to live by a hospital because you could just like go there and if you really need it. So hey. Oh my gosh, I got the brow product. Oh my gosh, this is from Brow Bar. This is in the shade Deep. They got my shade right. This retails for $30. I am so excited. This is what it looks like. It's like a whole kit. Okay, it's coming my way. The last product is the Robin Hood palette. Oh, I am so excited. Okay, now let's get into the try on portion. First, let me tell you the total and give you some swatches. The Storybook palette retails for $35. Look at the packaging. It has a mirror, but it bends all the way back. Here are the shades untouched. And here are the swatches. Very pigmented, I like. And they were like butter, okay? They were so soft. So this box retails for $154. The first thing I'm going to be trying is the brow product. So it comes with like a little spoolie, and I never use brow products, so like brow powder, so I'm just going to try to, you know, create something here. Before I use the concealer part to like basically prime my eyelids and carve my brows, I wanted to show you that this is like a mascara wand, and I used the brow gel and it kind of gave my eyebrows a little red tint. Don't know if I like it. Really don't know if I like it. Okay, now that the eyes are primed, let's get into eyeshadow. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing a green look. I'm going to do a goldish look because what I'm wearing. So let's get into this. I'm going to use Quiver on my transition shade, and I'm going to use Forest for the outer corner, and I'm going to use Maiden on the lid, and I'm going to use Nottingham for a brow bone highlight. So basically the top half. Before I go into skin, I want to show you that it has like, that shimmer has a lot of fallout. Also does the matte in the pan. Like it's a lot of kick up, but it's very pigmented. So I'm gonna basically take this shimmer off my face and then do my rest of my face. Okay, now I'm all done with my look. I'm gonna finish it up with this blush, and then I'm gonna give you my review of the box, if it's worth it or not. Okay, it's coming up. It's popping up on my skin tone. My overall review is that this box is worth it, but November box was way better than December's box. That said, November box is actually the best of 2019 in my opinion, and I really do like everything that's in this box besides the lip scrub that I'm going to be gifting. But that palette did wonders to my eyes, and I really do like it. Also, if you were following along, this is a great holiday look tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and bye you guys. Okay, this is what the final look looks like, and my outfit is just some plain slacks, black slacks, and this, and I'm gonna put on my high heels, and that's it. Whew. I really like it. Anyways, have a great day, you guys.